Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the scene so snapping behaves predictably. Open snap settings and set a grid increment like 0, 5 or 1. This defines your snap step. Make sure the Move Tool's magnet is enabled for vertex or midpoint snapping. Once done, select objects and turn off rigid body constraints if needed. This prevents physics from fighting the snap. You're now ready to perform the first snaps. Place objects close to targets and use the scene gizmo for fine alignment. Next, you execute precise snaps using dedicated shortcuts and tools. Press and hold V to engage vertex snap, then drag the vertex to another mesh point. This aligns geometry exactly. Hold Ctrl or CMD while dragging with the Move tool to force grid increments, which helps maintain consistent spacing. For planes and faces, use the Rect tool or Pro Builder. They offer face and edge snapping modes. Make sure Pivot vs Center mode is correct, because it changes how objects lock into place. To finish, lock in positions and verify transforms. Apply parent objects or reset and freeze transforms so children keep their snapped placement. Rotate and scale checks are essential. Ensure pivot mode is set intentionally because center versus pivot changes snap results. If snapping behaves oddly, inspect colliders and rigid bodies, disable physics temporarily, and confirm snap settings values. One key troubleshooting tip: if objects jitter, disable physics on the objects you're snapping.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.